Welcome to the fully insulated Eco Studio. Designed in 22 standard sizes that can be modified to suit your needs. We can modify the placement of the windows and doors to suit your garden. Whether you are looking for the perfect garden office, a place to run your business, your very own gym, entertainment room, or extra space to relax with your friends and family, your Eco Studio can provide the perfect extra living space. We can help design your Eco Studio and have it professionally installed by our team, making your ideas a reality in as little as 3 weeks. Here's what makes our Eco Studio different from the rest. It's important that your new Eco Studio garden room is usable all year. That is why we have chosen the ideal installation system, designed specifically for the Eco Studio by Multifoil Experts Eco Home Insulation, to make this possible. The roof, walls and floor of the Eco Studio are fully insulated using EcoQuill Expert Multifoil Insulation. EcoQuill is unique and extremely reflective. In winter, heat is reflected back into the building to keep you warm and cosy. On hot days, the insulation is highly efficient at reflecting heat away to keep you cooler in summer. EcoQuill also prevents unwanted drafts at floor level. The walls of the Eco Studio are manufactured using EcoClad, a resin-impregnated timber cladding. EcoClad comes in a colour of your choice, is moisture resistant and rot-free, meaning it's designed to last the lifetime of the building, unlike ordinary timber. So much that it comes with a 25-year manufacturer's warranty. Our new cedar selection option gives you the chance to incorporate natural timber fascias and trims in redwood cedar alongside our high-tech EcoClad to create a stunning contrasting combination. Our full electric kits consists of low-energy interior lights, silver switches and sockets with all wiring hidden within the structure. You even have the choice of exterior canopy lights, LED strip lights and vertical wall lights for that extra stunning contemporary look. Internal wall and ceilings are clad with our moisture resistant matchboard, designed for easy fitting of pictures and furniture and finished in white to keep the room bright and airy. We will even install your TV brackets free of charge, just ask. In addition to fitting our EcoQuill Expert floor insulation, we also fit EcoTech floor foam under your laminate floor for extra warmth and comfort. You can choose from our range of laminate floors to suit your taste. Windows and doors are UPVC with stainless steel ironmongery. You can upgrade and have silver therm installed to your windows for extra reflection of heat, energy saving and privacy, ideal if you are overlooked by neighbours. The Eco Studio roof covering boasts a one-piece EPDM rubber roof system which is bonded and fully sealed, ensuring there is zero chance of any water ingress. You'll have the option of a veranda and extra decking, and we can even prepare a timber base to accept the Eco Studio. The main structure of your Eco Studio will be constructed off-site in our workshop, meaning the installation process could take as little as 2 days by our friendly professional team. This turnkey package, including base installation, electrics and premium laminate flooring, was delivered and professionally installed within 3 weeks of ordering and cost just £9,995 plus VAT, meaning you could have your dream garden room sooner than you may have thought. If you're thinking about investing in your very own Eco Studio, our project manager is waiting to discuss your ideas and help make that thought a reality. Simply click on the Call Me Back request and we guarantee to come back to you within the same day to discuss your requirements and provide your free bespoke quotation.